Okay, good day everyone. My name is Isabel Simbulan, your student nurse for today. So for today's demonstration po, I'm gonna be doing the applying hot and cold compress. Sa procedure po na to, ang mga possible injuries po na nilalagyan ng hot and cold compress, possible na may pilay or hindi po equal ang blood flow ng pasyente. Okay, so before we start for the procedure, let me identify my patient first. What's your name, ma'am?
Baluyot Angela.
Your birthday po?
November 8, 2003.
Your age po, ma'am?
22.
May I see your ID band for confirmation, ma'am? Thank you. After documenting the identification of my patient, let me check for her vital signs first. After documenting the vital signs for my patient, magpo-proceed na po ako sa procedure. But first, let me do an hand hygiene first. And wear my gloves for protection. Okay. After wearing my PPE and doing the hand hygiene, let me proceed now to the procedure. Okay, to start po, kailangan po natin ng waterproof pad para ma-avoid po if there are some possible leakage throughout the procedure. Lalagay ko lang po dito. Okay, before po natin i-apply ang hot or cold compress, kailangan pong i-observe if there are possible skin infection or skin damage sa pasyente. Okay, so far wala naman po. Now we're gonna proceed na sa applying po ng hot or cold compress. Before applying, make sure po na meron tayong another towel para po ma-avoid ang skin damage throughout the procedure po. Kapatong ko na po, ma'am. Okay? After applying the hot or cold compress, make sure na hindi po siya tatagal ng 30 minutes. Ang last lang po niya is 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? Assume po natin na tapos na ang 15 to 20 minutes. After the given time, make sure po na i-check po ang different ng skin kanina ng pasyente, skin before and the skin after. Make sure na wala po siyang maging skin damage. Okay, so far wala naman po. After doing the procedure, make sure to document the findings. Let me document the findings first. After documenting the findings, let me do one hand hygiene again. Then, I'm gonna report to the physician if there are some possible changes po throughout the procedure.